So there are two ways we can do this problem. First is to give it an algebraic structure. So we're given that x and y are two-digit integers. They have the same digits but in reverse order. So let's say if the digits are t and u, this is the tens digit of the integer x, u is the units digit, which really means that this x is equal to 10t plus u. So for example, if it was 37, this is really tens place is 3, so it's 3 times 10 plus 7, or 37. Similarly for y, since the digits are flipping, there would be ut, which means the value here would be 10u plus t. So this is y. Now, they're asking us about x plus y, so we can create that expression in terms of these digits. And you'll see that if you algebraically simplify this, it becomes 11t plus 11u, or 11 times t plus u, which means that the sum will always be, 11 will always be a factor of this sum, or it's a multiple of 11, which means if we look at the answer choices, x plus y must always be divisible by 11. So this is one way to do it. The other is you can select a value for x. So let's say if this is 13, then y would be 31. In this case, the sum would be 44. And then you would check the answer choices and see which ones is a factor of 44. So you'll see 6 is not, 9 isn't, 10 isn't, and 14 isn't. So the answer is 11, which is again choice D. Now certainly this is easier to do here in this problem. And if that's the case, then certainly take this approach. The reason I presented this more general approach is that this will be helpful in data sufficiency or in harder problems where you have to have this formal structure to interpret what they're asking. But if it's an easy enough, which it is based on the numbering, typically by plugging in, you can get the answer easily. So to recap, the answer is D.